Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove background noise from your video in Davinci Resolve. If you're dealing with unwanted hums, air conditioning noise, or any distracting sounds, this method will clean up your audio fast. First, import your video into Davinci Resolve and go to the Firelight tab. This is where all the audio editing happens. Select your audio track, then open the Effects library on the right panel. Scroll down to Noise Reduction and drag Fairlight Noise Reduction onto your audio clip. Now adjust the settings. Click on the effect to open its controls. Start by playing the audio and adjusting the threshold slider. This tells Davinci Resolve what level of noise to remove. Increase it gradually until the background noise fades, but don't overdo it or your voice might sound unnatural. Next, tweak the reduction slider. This controls how aggressively the noise is removed. A settling between 40 to 60% usually works best. If the noise is still present, try adjusting the attack and release settings for a smoother result. Finally, preview your audio. If it sounds too muffled, lower the noise reduction slightly. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. And that's it! You have successfully removed background noise from your video in Davinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.